Hi, I'm Tom, and in this video, we'll take a quick look at the Dot dashboard. Once you log in, you'll be on the My Content tab. This is where you can see and manage all your projects. Each of these tiles represent a unique project, and by hovering one, you'll notice that you can do a few things with it. You can duplicate the project, edit the project, check out its analytics, see what data it has collected, and lastly, view the project. In the left-hand side, you can create different folders to keep your projects organized. To add a project to a folder, you will simply drag and drop the project onto it. If we continue under the Analytics tab, you'll first see a summary of all your projects within a certain time period. The summary consists of a set of default KPIs, which are views, visitors, returning visitors, audience growth, and new contacts. These metrics are all collected automatically. If we scroll down, you'll notice that we see a list of the top projects that are contributing to the summary. Each of these projects have their own default KPIs, but can also have custom KPIs which can be added on a project-to-project basis. When we go under the Audience tab, you can get an overview of all the data collected about your audience. This includes both data from anonymous visitors and uniquely identified contacts. The first view you see is all the contact data that you have collected, with all the default fields enabled. To control this view, you'll want to click on Filter. You will now see an interface where you can control what kind of data you wish to show and add conditional rules. You also have the possibility to add data collected from any of your projects. Just click on Add Data from Project and select the project you want. Once you're happy with your selection, you can give your selected filter a name and save it to quickly open it in the future. Let's apply our filter. You now see a list of all the data that matches your filter. This data can always be exported as a CSV file, which is then sent to your email. Additional things you can do from under the Audience tab is to add custom data fields that you want to collect and store about your audience. And lastly, an option for keeping different privacy consents that can be enabled on your projects. Under Add-ons, you'll find three tabs: Global Data, Catalog, and Draws. These add-ons can also be found inside individual projects. The main difference here is that by enabling them on the account level, they can be connected to multiple projects instead of just one. The Subscription tab allows you to manage your subscription, which includes billing information and invoices. The Integration tab allows you to enable and configure our available integrations. These currently include MailChimp, Zapier, and HubSpot. And lastly, under Settings is where you'll find some general account information, user management, and your custom domain configurations. And that concludes the dashboard tour. Thanks for watching.